Excuse me, nurse. How far behind are you running?
We'll be with you shortly, sir.
Shortly. And nap time. Am I right? Sorry? Yeah, nothing. Do me a favor. Wake me if they call for Nicholas. Shirley. Need a tissue, big guy?
Nope.
You sure? Because you just sniffled 6 times in a minute, so I'm thinking you do.
No, I don't use tissues.
Didn't your mom tell you it's bad to sniff all that up inside? You're gonna get a sinus infection.
Oh, quite the contrary. She told me never to ever blow it.
Are you... Okay, I'll bite. Did she say why, may I ask?
Not sure it's any of your business.
Well, it's gross. And rude. If you're not gonna blow it, you at least owe me an explanation.
Well, she told me if I blow my nose, all of my bad stuff will come out, and I should always sniff it in.
Whoa. Brother, she has led you astray. Just, please, take this. It's brand new, never been used. Okay, just please blow your nose, because we're gonna be sitting here a while, and I can't promise I won't strangle you if you keep it up.
Sir, my mom said there's very awful things inside me. I can't...
I will buy you lunch if you blow your nose. How about that?
Is sushi an option?
Sure.
I must admit, I have always been rather curious.
Rodney Castle, you're up.
Okay. Hey, I feel fantastic. Maybe we can share the big bento box. Sure? I really need to stop telling people how to live their lives.
Maybe we can share the big bento box.